how to create a form in BREVO. So first, go to your BREVO dashboard here, and then just click on contacts here at the left side. Okay, now you will see forms here. Just click on it. After that, just click on create a subscription form, or if you want, you can create an subscription form. Okay, so as for this example, let's just create a subscription form. Sorry. Okay, now just type in your form name. So let's just say this is my subscription form example. Okay, now just click on next. Okay, after that, you just need to design your form here. So let's say I'm done designing my form. Just click on next. Okay, after that, just select the list that you want to use for this form. So let's say I want to use this list. Okay, just check on the checkbox, click next, and then if you want to use a double confirmation email, choose this one, or simple or no confirmation email. So for this example, I just use this one, and then of course select the template. You can select let's say I just want to select the default one. Just click on this one, then just click on next. Okay, now you can customize all of your messages here. Your message for success message, the invalid user information, error message, or the empty field. Okay, so after customizing all of this, just click on next, and then you can choose any of the options here, how you want to share the form. You can use this one here. Just copy the link and just share it to Facebook or Instagram, wherever you want. And of course, you can also use a QR code here. Download the QR code, and you can use the embed things here. Okay, iframe, HTML, or simple HTML. You can embed it to your website if you have it. Okay, now after that, just click on done. Okay, now that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.